we have the current stock market update for MULLEN Automotive Incorporated, stock ticker MULN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comment section below so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the 5-minute price chart, and this is important to look at this type of time frame because this is really the only way to see recent trend movements in this stock. If anybody is familiar with this stock or has a long position in this stock, we can sort of pull out here a bit, and it becomes quite obvious quite quickly that share prices have taken a major dive lower here over a relatively short period of time. There really has not been much to be seen in the way of upward price movement here. There really isn't much question that the trend for this stock is down. So what we're going to have to look at in this price video will be some specific price zones that I'm watching, and we will explain the significance and the importance of all these price levels in detail, so that traders are able to identify some profitable trading strategies for this stock going forward. So I have had several requests for this stock. I don't normally just take requests automatically like that, but there have been several people that have made comments in the comment section explaining that they have had some very significant losses related to the stock recently. So there were so many people that had this negative experience with this stock, that I felt kind of obligated a bit to try to help out the situation and provide a little bit of analysis here so that people can try to understand what's going on. One of the reasons that I felt the need to do this is because I was looking around at some of the other YouTubers that are making videos about this stock, and what I found was extremely ridiculous and very disheartening, because it's very clear that there are people that are making videos about this stock that have no idea what they're doing, and they don't look like they've ever made a profitable trade ever in their lives. I'm not going to name names specifically right now. I might do that at a later point. But there was one video that I was watching. There was just a lot of rap music in the background and things like that, telling people to buy the stock. And he was like, you can buy it right around 25 cent, maybe around 30 cent, and he's not even saying cents correctly. Like it's not 25 cent, it's 25 cents. It's, if we can't even say the word properly, I'm not sure why people would think that he knows how to trade the stock properly. So, this was very worrisome, and I don't understand why people why anybody would listen to this type of nonsense from people that claim to be financial experts on YouTube. I mean, they have no experience, they have no idea what they're doing. So, I would like to hear some comments in the section below. I would like to know how people found out about this stock. How exactly did you find this name in the first place? What exposed you to this name? Like, what did somebody recommend this stock to you? Did you see a video somewhere on YouTube that suggested that this would be a good buy? Because if we take a look at the chart history here, I mean, this is really moving in one direction, and it's really not in the positive direction. We have seen some recent price movements higher, and this was one of the reasons, like the video that I saw. This guy was getting very excited about this stock because it was trading right around 57 cents. And he was like, yeah, you can buy it at 50 cent, buy it at 50 cent. And it's like, well, you could buy the stock at 50 cents, but, look where you'd be right now if you did that. The stock is trading at 20.5 cents. So, you would have lost more than half of your money in a very short period of time if you made this purchase at that point. So, the people that are watching those types of videos, I really do suggest you consider taking a look at the members only section of my channel, because we do have some very successful small cap stock trades that we're looking at the moment and trading at the moment. And these stocks have a much more stable outlook, and the chart history does not look like this. I mean, we've had gains of 75% in 3 weeks, and every stock is trading in positive territory, and it's a much more successful trading room than people that are telling you to buy it at 50 cent. I mean, please, like, if you can't even speak properly, you're not going to be able to trade the stock properly. So as things currently stand, we are looking at new price lows of 20.5 cents. And this is a significant price movement here to the downside, because This recent rally here, I do think got some people excited, and people started making videos and doing social media posts, and some people were convinced to buy this stock at the wrong point. And as we can see here, the stock just plummeted after that. It's really a rug pull. It's a terrible stock to buy. So, as things currently stand, what the significance of this 20.5 cents level comes from the fact that we have now broken below these prior lows coming in at 20.3 cents. So essentially, this was a very significant level of support because this really was, sort of the launching pad higher for this move into 57.5 cents. After that breaks, what that really tells you a lot about the stock, because it means that you're no longer able to sustain that price momentum, and share prices are likely to continue moving lower. In addition to that, we have several readings in the RSI, which also point to lower price movements and weaker trend momentum for this stock. So there are several ways of looking at this currently, but the overall picture here continues to be negative, even though the share price itself did recently have a rally higher. So, there really isn't much in this chart to suggest higher prices. As we can see, the overall trend momentum is clearly focused in the downside direction. I don't think anybody would really disagree with that at this point. This is a one-way train here, and it's moving downward. And then in addition to that, you can see these short-term movements higher. But anytime where you're seeing that type of price movement, it's extremely short-lived. And if you didn't get out of the trade quickly, prices tend to reverse very quickly and then post new lows. So there really isn't much in this chart, which does suggest that share prices are likely to start moving higher. MULLEN Automotive, and even if people are looking for exposure to this type of space, car parts and things like that, there are other names in the market that can be watched, and I've covered some of those in the members only part of the channel, in the members only section of the channel. There are names. It's not even a bad industry necessarily. There are many names that can be purchased here, but clearly this is not going in the right direction. So I do suggest that people that are in this name look for bounces to get out of the stock and consider joining the member section of our channel, because none of our trades look like this. I mean, this is a horror show. This is scary what I'm seeing here. Honestly, I'm terrified of this stock. So if that tells you anything. So this is the current stock market update for MULLEN Automotive Incorporated, stock ticker MULN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.